Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to bring a brand new subscription box to my channel. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you Fortunately Inspired. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived and I assume this is the July box. This company did get a hold of me and asked if I would be willing to review their box on my channel to show you guys. So thank you so much for sending me this box to review. I'm going to go ahead and tell you everything that I found out about the company from their website first. That's what I do when I bring a first box to my channel. So right now I'm going to go ahead and give you a little information so we kind of know what this box is about and what we should be expecting once we do get this opened. So, a Fortunately Inspired box is a fun self-care monthly subscription box for the busy female entrepreneurs and professional women who are boldly committed to prioritizing themselves while pursuing our passion. Each box provides self-care and confidence-boosting products, fun boss babe gifts, and essential beauty products. You get to choose your membership. There is a flat rate of $7.95 of shipping that is added, and currently they're only shipping to the United States at this time. If you do month to month, it's $36.95. If you do 3 months prepaid, it brings it to $110.85. And if you do 6 months prepaid, it brings it to $209.77. How does it work? Become a Fortunately Inspired woman immediately by selecting a monthly, a 3-month, or a 6-month membership or a one-time purchase box. Receive positive vibes and self-care with each box packed with premium products. Our theme box arrives to your doorstep around the 5th of every month. But keep in mind, with everything going on right now and shipping and delays, it might be a little bit longer now. I'm just saying because of how everything's going. Celebrate the best gift that is both a joy to give and receive. Now, what to expect every month? Every box may include 5 or more of the following items. Inspire awareness and spark creativity with fabulous office and desk decor. That sounds neat. Fun, trendy accessories for confident boss babes. Indulgent snacks to satisfy midday craves. Comforting and recharging self-care essentials for better work-life balance, plus charming surprises for busy women pursuing her passion. Right now, you can use their code WELCOME1 to save you money at sign up, and August is their 1-year anniversary. So coming up, 1 year is going to be their anniversary, and that theme is going to be Let's Celebrate. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So that is the box. It says Boss Babe Care Package, a fun self-care subscription box for female entrepreneurs and professional work women is what is written right there. And this is Live Inspired, Spread Positivity, Experience Happiness. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get this open and see what is in here. It just seemed really, really interesting. So I definitely wanted to see what kind of Boss Babe boxes we're going to have. So let's get this opened. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. And it looks like there is a card right on top with some other stuff. And just kind of see the presentation, that's what that looks like. So let's see what we have. Again, this is my first box, so I don't know what to expect. So let's learn together here. So here is a card and it does go over pricing. That's awesome. So it says Fortunately Inspired, just for you. And so there's the card, and then that side goes over all of the products. Now this says Find Your Focus is July's theme. So yes, this is July's box and the theme is Find Your Focus. Finding original, creative, unique solutions is what focus stands for. And then it says Affirmation of the month. I focus on what I can control and I let go of what I can't. That's really nice. So there's that as well. So let's go ahead and start seeing what we have inside. The first thing right on top, it says Focus on the Good. And it looks like this is a little card and it has their logo on the back. This is Focus on the Good card, Fortunately Inspired, valued at $5. And it's just an all blank card. To me, if you're gonna pay $5 for an all blank card, it should come in a set of like 5 or 6 of them, but that's just my own opinion. That's what it looks like on the outside, and the inside is just blank. So it's a blank card with the blank envelope, valued at $5. So there's item number 1. Next we have, it says Simply Mints Peppermint. Peppermint's Simply Gum, and it's valued at $4.70. I like the little tin, especially if you are a boss babe and you have a desk. You can toss this in your desk at work, or you can toss it in your purse or your gym bag, whichever you would like. So then next we have is something in this little bag right here. And let's see what this is. This says it's a Frisky Fish Essentials Grounded. Ooh, cedarwood plus lavender essential oils with a touch of coconut oil. So it looks like a little roll on, and it says essential oil, Frisky Fish, $14. And does it say anything else on here? Directions: apply generously as desired. Keep out of reach of children. Let's see. I'm afraid because of the lavender, but I actually don't smell. I just smell essential oils. I don't really smell lavender, so there you go. That's good because I don't like lavender. But there's a grounded roll-on, and it came in this little bag right there. Next we have is a olive berry organic konjac exfoliating sponge. These are really neat. I just got like a green tea one, and I've never used them before, but I'm using that one, and I think they're really neat. I don't know why I never tried to use them before, but I actually like these now. So this right here is an organic charcoal konjac sponge. Olive Branch Wellness Boutique is who it's by, and it's valued at $9. And there's that, and it does have the little thing to hang it in the shower on it. So there's that. All right, so then the next thing says essential oil diffuser jewelry, handmade in Oregon. It says drop essential oils onto the knot or the tassel. Enjoy the aroma for days. Please take care of the jewelry. Those are actually kind of pretty. I've seen some kind of earrings come through boxes, and let's just say I wouldn't wear those. These actually I would. And I think that that's really neat that you can just drop some essential oils on it and smell it through the day, especially if certain oils do trigger things to help throughout the day. That would be really nice because then it's by your senses. It's like close to your head to breathe it in. But that is earrings. And this says essential oil diffuser boho tassel earrings. And it's $16. And it looks like it's from LOIL_J, or is that a J? LOILJ Aromatherapy Jewelry. There's the logo right there. So that is really neat. And again, these are valued at $16. We still have 2 items in here, you guys. So this right here is a reed diffuser, when perfume is a work of art. And that's what that looks like. And this one here is $11.99. I really like these. I normally have them in my bathroom. I have it in my closet. I like these diffuser, reed diffusers. So I'm actually really excited to get another one. Ooh, how cute. There's a little flower. What do you do with the flower? Do you stick it? I don't know. What do you do with the flower? Oh, so maybe you can use the flower or the reed sticks, and you just stick this down in it instead and put it on the top. Is that how that works? I've never seen that before. I only see the sticks. It doesn't say anything about the flower on here. It just says take the top off, stick the sticks in there, and a few weeks later, rotate them, flip them around. But it has this flower that looks really, really neat. And it looks like you would just stick it in and it would soak up and come through the flower and just go out the flower instead. If anybody has seen one like that, am I right? Because if that's the case, that's how I want to do it. I've never seen one like that. That is really neat with the flower. I'm really tripping out on the flower. How cool is that? And there's one more item down in here, and this says dream big and dare to fall. Is this like a little journal book? Yes. Oh, but there's little, okay. So it has like, dare to live the life you have, dream for yourself. So every so often there will be like a little page of inspirational words. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. There you go. If you don't come knocking, I'll build that door. Make each day your masterpiece. That's nice. I like these encouraging words that are in here, like periodically. Don't wait to be discovered. Different. Be daring. Be first. Be different. Yes. Be yourself. No one else. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. Be afraid of nothing. Seize this very minute. Boldness has genius, power, and magic in it. Really cute. So here's a journal, and this journal says dream big or dare to fail. Oh, it's fail. F-A-I-L, not fall. F-A-L. F-A-L. There you go. F-A-L. The Dare to Fail journal is $7.95. So I will go ahead and add up the total of all of the products that is on here, and I will put that right here. This will be the grand total for this July box. And a quick recap, we have this nice inspiring journal. We have the earrings that you can use as just regular earrings, or you can put essential oils on them as well. You have the essential oil roller ball for grounded. You have the konjac sponge, the spearmint mint. You have the reed diffuser, and you have a greeting card to give to somebody. So that is everything, you guys. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Again, it is $36.95 for the box every month, $7.95 for shipping. I kind of feel that the card is overpriced. I do like this reed diffuser. I've gotten way bigger ones in boxes. The journal with the inspiration words is really nice. The earrings I do think are actually cute. And then the sponge and the roller ball. I know, I kind of feel that there should be a little bit more for the value, but that's just my own opinion. You guys can have your own, but I want to hear it. What do you think of this box? And have you seen it before? Have you heard of it before? They're going to turn 1 next month. So they've been around at least for a year. I haven't reviewed this box or seen this box really, so I didn't know what to expect, but I do think it's a decent box with the items that are in here. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sending me your box. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.